The 40 kilopascal Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner by INTETURE is equipped with a powerful 450-watt motor, offering exceptional suction strength for deep cleaning your home. With a user-friendly color touch display, this vacuum provides real-time updates on battery life and alerts for any clogs, enhancing your cleaning experience. The vacuum's intelligent auto mode adjusts the suction power based on the surface being cleaned, ensuring efficient performance on both carpets and hardwood floors. Offering up to 55 minutes of runtime on a single charge, this vacuum is designed to clean large areas without frequent recharging, making it ideal for bigger homes. The integrated brush with soft and hard bristles allows seamless transitions between cleaning floors and carpets, while LED lights illuminate hidden dust in corners. Versatile accessories transform the vacuum into a handheld device, and with a 3-year warranty and robust customer service, it promises a worry-free experience.